Now that we've seen how to create and display a basic toast, let's look at how they can be customized. The first step is to define a custom layout that will be used to hold the information inside the toast. So if you open the res folder, and then inside the layout folder, let's open up custom_toast_layout.xml. This is the layout that we'll use for our custom toast. And you can see that this layout is pretty simple. It's just a linear layout that contains a single text view, but you could easily make it more complex than this. So now let's go over to the Java code for the toast activity. For this example, we'll fill out the show custom toast function. And again, you can see that I've already got some code that check the radio buttons for the toast duration. And to use the custom view, we first have to instantiate the layout from the resource file. Now to do that, I'm going to use the layout inflator utility from the activity. So what I'm going to do is make my layout inflator class. All right. And then I'll define a view for the layout. And I'm going to use my inflator utility to inflate my custom layout. And that is r.layout. In this case, it's the custom toast layout. And I need to specify a parent, so I'm going to write view group. And it's going to be, I'm going to find the view by ID, and that's going to be r.id.customToastLayout. So once the custom view object is created, I then need to set the text message into the text view that's in that layout. So let's go ahead and write that. And I'll do that down here in the next section. So I'll write text view equals, and we'll cast that to a text view. And now, given that layout that I just inflated, I have to find the text view that's in there. And that's going to be r.id.textContent. Once I have that text view, I can just simply say set text. And we'll use the same message as before. This is a toast. Okay, so now the code needs to create the toast. In this case, however, since we're using a custom layout, we're not going to use the makeText method like we did earlier. We'll create the new toast directly by instantiating the class. So I'll write toast equals new toast, just like you'd create any other object. And I'm going to pass in the application context as the context here. And now we can set options such as the duration and the gravity positioning as we normally would. In this case, I'll have the position be at the lower left corner of the screen, inset from the left and bottom by 100 device pixels. So I'll write toast.setDuration to be whatever the toast duration variable that we set using the radio buttons. And then I'll call toast.setGravity. In this case, I'm going to use gravity bottom ORed with gravity left, and then 100 pixels up from the bottom and left. Okay. So now I need to actually set the custom layout into the toast object. To do this, I need to call the setView function on the toast with the layout that I've inflated. So I'll write toast.setView, and I'll just pass the layout view that I've inflated above, and then I can just show the toast like I normally would using the show function, and that's all there is to it. So let's run this and see what happens. All right, looks like we've restarted the app. What I'll do is I'll start the toast activity, and this time I'll click on the Show Custom Toast button, and you can see that our customized toast appears at the bottom. Once again, I can change the duration, and there's our customized toast.